Hello, in this video we shall discuss about cells and their components. What is a cell? Well, a cell is the basic unit of life. All living organisms are made up of cells. The components of a cell are called organelles. Let us discuss some of the organelles found in a cell and their functions. The first one is the nucleus. The nucleus controls all the cell activities and actually contains genetic materials like DNA. The second cell organelle is the cell wall. The cell wall is fully permeable. This means it doesn't select what passes through it. The cell wall is made up of a carbohydrate called cellulose. The cellulose makes the cell wall rigid. The cell wall supports the cell and gives the cell its regular shape. The third organelle of the cell is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is partially permeable. This means that it selects what passes through it. The cell membrane controls substances that enter and leave the cell. The fourth cell organelle is the mitochondria. The mitochondria is also referred to as the powerhouse of a cell. Why? Because that's where energy is produced. The mitochondria is the site for cellular respiration. The fifth one is the ribosomes. The ribosomes are responsible for the synthesis of proteins. The sixth cell organelle is the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are sac-like structures that contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps light energy needed in photosynthesis. The chloroplast is the site for photosynthesis. The seventh cell organelle is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid. The cytoplasm is where all cell activities take place. And lastly, the eighth one is the vacuole. The vacuole contains cell sap. Cell sap is mainly water, salts, and sugars. Of the 8 organelles, there are 3 which make up the protoplasm. The protoplasm is the living part of the cell. The protoplasm is made up of the nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane. All living organisms are made up of cells, but these cells are not all the same. They have some differences.